everybody, look what I got. I got a Walmart beauty box. Now, I've been subscribed to the Walmart beauty box for a long time now. For a while I did get it, and then I kind of quit getting it because I was just disappointed in it. And then I think the last box I got was the spring box. And a lot of people were just complaining about it like crazy because they say the box is free and you pay $5 for shipping, but a lot of people were just disappointed in it. So Walmart basically sent me an email saying they're not sending out the summer box because they want to revamp everything. So I didn't know they were sending us a new one. It automatically just charges my credit card. So it's $5 to get this box, and you get it 4 times a year. Usually you get it by seasons. One thing I do know, they were kind of slacking at the seasons because you would get stuff that it was, I think I got like, I don't know, they weren't even sending them correctly. So if you guys want to join, definitely go ahead. If you just want to try it out, it's $5. You can cancel it anytime. You just go to Walmart Beauty Box, just Google it, and it'll take it right there. So let's take it in. One thing I do notice is they gave us a different box. The boxes they've given us in the past are like a shiny material. This is just like a regular cardboard box. So they did save a little bit money with the boxes. And let's see what we got for samples. So it says Walmart Beauty. It basically gives you a piece of paper of how much everything would cost in the store at full price. So it looks like I don't have everything in here. There's 8 items in here, and I think I see 5. So it might be you get different items depending on what you got. So the first thing I see is the Batiste hair dry shampoo. This is actually kind of something cool. Today is the first day, you guys, that I have straightened my hair in a long time. So like doing this would be perfect for me to do today, or actually I might use it tomorrow if I don't want to wash my hair tomorrow. I don't know, but this is just a cute little sample. So they're saying that this would be $6.48 if you guys bought it in a full price, but this is just a sample size, so this is probably like $2 maybe if you bought it in the travel section. We have the Corel Dry Skin Therapy Lotion. Now I always keep getting the in-shower stuff. This is actually something really nice. This actually is not shown in my little thing. They have the Gold Bond, but not the Corel. So this could be something that they're just trying to get rid of. I don't know. Let's see if it's kind of cold outside, but my hands get super dry in this time. But it says Dry Skin Therapy, so that's again probably like, you know, $2, $1, I don't know, but it feels good. It feels good. So we got that. Now here is a Anecdote Weekend Vibe. It's a roller ball. So this is a perfume. This says that this is the full size price of this is $19.98. It is pineapple water and pink passion fruit with woody hints of sandalwood, whipped musk, and for a refreshing scent. So it says it's like a fall smell. So let's just see what it smells like. I'm very sensitive to smells, but we got a cute little bottle. Did I say the price with this was $19.98? So it says it's Weekend Vibe, and let's just try it out. I haven't touched a roller ball in forever. It's not rolling. It's actually pretty good. I mean, I like it. I do like it. I like this. It's actually pretty good. You know, this is pretty good to hear. And then here we have a full-size NYX lipstick. Now this is Butter Gloss. And the color I got is Sorbet. I swear I got this last time with my Walmart beauty box. I have one right here. Let's see what flavor this is. Doesn't say. I swear I just got this because Sorbet sounds so familiar. So this is originally $4.97. So this is a full-size product here, you guys. So if you guys want to go ahead and get that, there we go. And then the last item I have is a red clay sheet mask. It purifies and refines pores for a cleaner looking skin, 94% natural. So here is a single use mask. These are $1.98 a piece if you guys buy this. So it says, prep skin for cool temps with natural botanicals known for their healing properties. These sheet masks solve issues with nurturing skin to enhance body and mind. So this is $1.98. So I don't want to say the box got revamped. I think they're waiting to see what people say. But right here we have $2 and we have $5. Was it $5 right here? So here's $7 worth of stuff. I think this perfume bottle is actually pretty good. It says it was $19.98, and this was not the full size. This is just a little bit of it. So I mean, this was probably what, $3, $4, $5 or whatever. So that was a good deal. And then we have the Corel, and then we have the Batiste. So that was everything in my box. If you guys are interested in just trying out a Walmart box, definitely go ahead and get it. You usually get like 1 or 2 full-size products. I've got some really good stuff in the past. They've been slacking, but you know what? I'm not going to complain. It's only $5, and this is stuff that I can use when we travel, if we ever travel, and it's just stuff to just try. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye!